Before we begin our trip, we need to review our trip objectives. Our team has been working with the problem associated with unused and underutilized fume hoods on Iowa State's campus. We have been working alongside the university's environmental health and safety, as well as facilities, planning, and maintenance departments. First, we want to reduce energy costs with the fume hoods that were assigned for the study by 20%. Second, we want to standardize the air exchange rates within rooms to a safe and adequate level. Third, we need to create a standardized process to address underutilized fume hoods campus-wide to reduce unnecessary energy consumption by 25%. Now that we have a roadmap, let's start our trip.
As we continue on our trip, there are some sights to see along the way. First is an underutilized fume hood in one of the pilot study rooms. It is on, using energy, but hasn't been used in a while. Second is a report the team has created to document the location, dimensions, and details of the rooms and fume hoods. 8 rooms in Gilman were documented similar to this one. Next, we pass the communication process swim lane diagram. This diagram shows all the handoffs that occur between personnel during a fume hood service request. This causes unwanted delays in the communication process. Finally, we can see the widespread and insufficient coverage the current databases provide to the users. Analyzing all we have seen, we can eagerly drive forward to the final destinations.
We have reached the final destination to solving the problems associated with underutilized fume hoods. First, we see a lockout-tagout solution with padlocks and brackets that can be attached to the face and sash of the fume hood to physically close and lock the fume hoods. In addition, we encourage EH&S to cut and cap the air ducts for the fume hoods that are never or rarely used to further the savings. Along with the physical locks, Brevo as a distant future solution that can provide further lockout-tagout through a cloud-based RFID scanning system connected to fume hoods to monitor access and operation of the fume hoods virtually. Finally, the team has also reached communication and database improvements through the creation of a new data dashboard report that highlights important fume hood entities. The dashboard combines existing database information into a website dashboard with a friendly user interface.
Now that we have finished the journey, let's look at our trip in summary. First, safety was a large concern for our entire trip. We maintained and improved safety through decreasing the ability to use unsafe fume hoods. We also decreased the air exchange rate to a proper level. Both of these safety impacts can be accomplished through a lockout-tagout system. Finally, we increased communication between lab personnel, EH&S, and FP&M through creating standards, dashboards, and ideal processes to follow. Looking at our journey for our trip, we can break down the 3 sections of implementation: a pilot study, Gilman, and campus-wide. Overall, on our 3 years return on investment, we can save EH&S and ISU a total of $126,806 for our pilot study, $910,677 for Gilman study, and $12,002,746 campus-wide. In conclusion, we are thankful for the people we've met, the site that we've seen, the destination we reached, and the impact made.